Howdy everybody. A little update on the wheel horse tractor trailer. I finally got the welding somewhat nailed down, and I'm done with that. In fact, let me take this one. So the next thing is to put, I got 3 of these. Want to go here, want to go there, want to go there. And I got this will go on top of it. It'll hang over a little bit. I'll paint that up. And haven't decided on putting sides on it or not, but I might. If I do, I'll let you know. But anyway, it's moving along all right. I had to take a break the other day. I had another project to finish for a neighbor, but all was fine. So that welding, that man, what I ended up doing is I got this set on 78, and I'm using this 7018, and I start at the thicker metal here and work my way down to the thin stuff. But man, you know, I should buy a nice MIG welder. That's what I should do. So anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.